Will you go? That means তুমি কি যাবে? এর বরিশাল ভাষা কি?
তুমি কি যাবা?
Do you like anyone?
তুমি কি কাউরে ভালোবাসো?
কি কাউরে ভালোবাসো? Hello, how are you today?
Hi, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And you?
Yeah, I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And where are you from?
I'm from Borishal.
Borishal.
Yeah.
Oh, great. And what's your full name?
My full name is Raida Rahman. You can call me Raida.
Raida. Oh, great. So what's the hidden meaning of Raida? Do you know?
Yeah, Raida meaning is leader.
Leader. Do you think you are a leader?
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Great. So are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student, but right now I'm a student at Rahat's English Care.
English care. And so what's your future plan?
My future plan is I want to be an English teacher.
English teacher. Okay, and what are you doing here?
I'm here doing practicing and enjoy with my friends.
Enjoy with my friends. Okay, great. Thank you so much. Do you miss your family?
Actually, basically, I miss my father because he's alone in Borishal. So I miss my father actually.
I miss my father.
Yeah.
Do you know how to talk with Borishal language?
Yeah, I can say.
I can
Borishal.
say. So I love you. Borishal language কি?
মুই তোমারে ভালো পাই।
মই তোমার ভালো পাই। So will you go? That means তুমি কি যাবে? বরিশাল ভাষা কি?
তুমি কি যাবা?
তুমি কি যাবা? Okay. Do you like me? বরিশাল.
তুমি কি মোরে ভালো পাও?
Okay. Will you marry me?
তুমি কি মোরে বিয়ে হরবা?
তুমি মোরে বিয়ে করবা? Okay, great. Thank you so much. Okay. Do you like anyone?
তুমি কি কাউরে ভালোবাসো?
কি কাউরে ভালোবাসো? Okay, great. Thank you so much.